This is so cool. This is a full-on gift wrapping station, organizer, storage. Like, I love having this in the house. And well, I'll tell you about all the cool features, but first let me thank Zober for sending this to me to review. I really do appreciate it. I love this thing. It is awesome. It's got a nice handle here. It's got another nice handle here so you can carry it. You can lay it on the floor and open it up. It's got tons of pockets, but I like it standing, and it's even got some little wheels on it so I can roll it around the house. But standing, it just takes up very little space, and it just stands there like this. So when I need a gift, I'll just kind of open it, reach in, grab our gift wrapping. So we keep all of our gift wrapping in here, but it's got all of these little, it's got two little cubbies there where you can store. I've got tissue paper stored in there. I've got bows stored in here. I've also got a bunch of different wrappings, papers, and then you've got this whole thing down here. And I don't even have this full, but you can put tape in here. It's got all these little pockets and little different organizers, so you can literally have all of your stuff completely organized for all of your gift wrapping, which I am big on giving gifts, and I love to give a wrapped present, even though I am terrible at wrapping. My husband does all the wrapping, just full disclosure here. But yeah, this is pretty cool. And then, you've got this whole little pocket on the outside, which I think is a great place to store your tapes and like your different tape that you use, maybe some Scotch tape, your duct tape, whatever kind of tapes. Great place to store that as well. And you can even have this as an entire shipping station. So you could store all of your envelopes, your padded envelopes, some of your, like, your flattened boxes, anything like that. There's like literally that much room in it. But it is really incredible. Anytime we need a gift wrap, we know exactly where to go in the house. We're not like, what closet do we leave that in? And where's the tape? And where's this? And where's the tissue paper? Where's the gift bags? We store it all in here. So thanks again, Zober. I love this. It is brilliantly designed.